Hi, my hair, my taste family. This is me, you guys. I know I rarely show myself, but today I decided, you know what? We're doing this. We are doing this. Okay, you guys, I just don't do that because I'm usually boring. See, I'm already boring, you guys. So, as seen by the title, we're doing samosas today. So, I had help from my sister. Shout out to her, my older sister. Thank you for doing this with me. So, she's the one that taught me through it. And I was also learning whilst doing this video. So, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. See you.
Okay, so right here in this dish, we have 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter cup of oil. So this is just being mixed properly, and you'll be able something that you'll be able to see in a minute is water is now going to be added to this flour mixture so that we can be able to form the dough. So as you can see, these are just like the final touches of the kneading. So what happened was there was too much liquid added. So this is why I'm always emphasizing that add your liquid slowly so that you don't get to have difficulties. But this was controlled by adding a little bit of flour here and there. So after this process, we just divided this dough into smaller sections because it's easier to handle like that. You do not want to strain yourself by rolling out that big, a large amount of dough. So we just divided this into smaller pieces and then worked with that. So as that was happening, I had put a pan on the stove and let it get hot so that I can be able to just pass through each dough through the pan on both sides. You don't want it too hard because when it becomes too hard or too crispy, it will just break off and you fail to fold it to make it into a samosa shape. So I'll just let you guys see how this process was done. So what I have in that blue cup over there is a mixture of water and flour. This is acting as the glue, or the glue basically that's holding this together. So as you can see, we're putting in our filling inside, and that's more flour paste to hold this samosa together, and that's basically all that you have to do. So as you can see, everybody here just went in and wanted to start to try and get this right, but we still made it. We still managed to get them right. I was so happy with this first one I had just made, even though it wasn't perfect, but we made it to this point. And right about now, just added the oil onto the pan and let it get really hot. But be careful because you don't want to burn yourself. And then just added samosas into the pan and let them get fried until they were like golden brown, as you can see right now. So this is like
Would you
the
look
other
at
side
that?
of the samosas. So basically, that was it. Can you look at that? I mean, oh my goodness, these were tasty, like always. So I really hope you guys will be able to try this and let me know in the comments how this video was, and if you were able to try it, I'll be so interested. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, invite more people, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.